All right.
You ready?
Go ahead, buddy. You gotta brush your teeth now. This is the first time Noah's brushing his teeth. He's doing it on live. Y'all can see it on Facebook or Twitter. Noah, come on, buddy. He is not having this. Oh, wow. Hey, buddy. Hey, this is good. This is a part of your daily life. You have to get used to this part, buddy. I'm not having you run out some rotten teeth. Looking like you've done some drugs. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. There you go.
Good job, buddy.
Good boy. That's all it needs. Good boy. Alrighty. Noah. I'm done. All done.
You just made it through your very first brushing your teeth.
Awesome. Now it's back to eating some candy.